Hi everyone, it's Omar and welcome to our channel Know It All. Do you know the top 10 strange species in the world? No, right? So watch this video and know it all. Before starting the video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to enjoy our upcoming videos. At number 10 we have Puss larva. Does this face put you off your lunch? That's the idea. The Puss larva's appearance is a defensive strategy designed to deter predators. Although the more persistent may also find themselves dosed in the formic acid. The creature is capable of skirting. These can be found in woods, parks and gardens across much of Asia and Europe, including Britain. Number 9. Ground pangolin, also known as Stammen's pangolin or Cape pangolin. The ground pangolin is the world's only warm-blooded creature that is completely covered in scales. It uses them to form a tough armor-clad ball when it is threatened, alongside a foul-smelling spray emitted from its anal glands. These species can be found across sub-Saharan Africa. Pangolins are the world's most critically endangered species and the sightings are very rare. Number 8. Lowland streaked tenrec. The species is found in tropical lowland rainforest in the northern and eastern parts of Madagascar. They can be found on land, splashing in the shallow waters or digging underground. These tenrecs are threatened primarily by the loss of their natural habitat due to continuous deforestation, as it is with many other animals in the Madagascar region. This species is also being hunted for food, possesses sensory hairs that are scattered on the dorsum that are similar to vibrissae. Breeding takes place during October to December and possibly at other times, depending upon local food supply and temperature. Number 7. Fog basking beetle, which also known as Toktokkies. Toktokkies are a variety of species of beetles that belong to the large tenrec family, also known as darkling beetle. Toktokkies do not belong to a particular tribe or genus of tenrec, but rather a selection of flightless species with distinct tapping noises. Tenrec family to which these beetles belong is quite large, with almost 3,500 species inhabiting southern Africa, the arid Namib Desert. The fog basking beetle captures water droplets on its back legs from coastal fog by performing a headstand in the sand. The fog condenses on its back and drips into the mouthparts. Through this process, the fog basking beetle can drink 40% of their body mass. Number 6. Mata mata. It may look like a pile of rotting leaf mold, but this is a freshwater turtle. Its nose acts as a snorkel and uses its mouth as a low-pressure vacuum to suck fish when they approach. Its carapace can measure up to 45 cm, and when it's fully grown, they can weigh up to 15 kg. The mata mata can be found across South America, and it has a triangular, flattened head with many tubercles and flaps of skin, and a horn on its head, and it is a very strange looking turtle. Number 5. Bald uakari. South Americans repeatedly nickname this poor bald monkey Mono Angles or English monkey. in honor of the first sunburned Britons to visit their homeland. Whether or not that's myth or reality, the bold uakari scarlet pate thus resemble that of a holidaymaker who has fallen asleep in the sun. During the rainy season, this vulnerable species lives high in the treetops of the Amazon River but retreats closer to the ground in the dry season to forage for nuts and seeds. Number 4. Axolotl. Axolotl, known as the Mexican walking fish. It is not a fish but an amphibian. The species was originally found in several lakes, such as Lake Xochimilco underlying Mexico City. Axolotls should not be confused with water dogs. They are unusual among amphibians in that they reach adulthood without undergoing metamorphosis. Instead of developing lungs and taking to the land, adults remain aquatic and gilled. Number 3. Sloane's viperfish. Sloane's is a predatory dragonfish, or also known as the viperfish, found in deep pelagic waters across the world. The species was first described by the German scientist, and its size can range from 64 mm to 260 mm, and it is an iridescent silver blue color. The primary feature of interest in dragonfish is its enormous teeth. When the jaw is closed, the teeth fit together to form a cage in which prey can be trapped, and this fish is one of the most dangerous species in the sea. Number 2. Western tarsier. Have you heard of eyes bigger than your stomach? Well, now meet the animal that has eyes as big as its brain. The golem-like Western tarsier has possibly nature's best night vision goggles. Tarsier has an extremely long tail which can reach 181 to 224 millimeters and is hairless. This species has 2 grooming claws on each foot. The fingers are awfully long and have pads on the tips. This species prefers to sleep and rest, and it can be seen in the Philippines. Finally, number 1. Ribbon worm. A man encountered this green jelly-like ribbon worm, or Nemertea, while fishing in the port of Penghu in Taiwan. It has a feeding tube. Nemerteans generally move slowly and has been reported as having a lifespan of around 18 months. Most are very slim, usually only a few millimeters wide, although a few have relatively short but wide bodies. Many have pattern of yellow, orange, red and green coloration. Hey everyone, thanks for watching the video. Hope you all like it. If you did, please do share it. Well, see you in the next one. Until then, stay awesome, stay connected.